Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Git Hooks. So what is Git Hooks? Git Hooks are the allow you to run custom script whenever the certain im important event occur in Git lifecycle, such as committing and merging and pushing. So when you create a Git repository in your local machine, this is the Git Hooks available only on your local machine, not in the remote repositories. This repository is available in .git. So when you created the .git repository, right, whenever you initialize the repository git in it, so it will be by default it should be created. If you do ls, it will not show you that .git folder, right? When you do ls hyphen la, it will be created .git folder. So when you cd into .git folder, so it will be available hooks folder should be available. If you cd into hooks, this hooks will be available like pre-commit, post-commit, or pre-receive. See, apply patch message, commit message, like post update, pre-commit, and post commit. These scripts are available. So git hooks nothing but a script, sir. By default it should be disabled. The extension, if should it should be there dot sample, means it should be disabled. The scripts by default it should be disabled. If you want, you can update, you can write your own scripts also. Okay. uh, so if you do githooks.com, so here they have mentioned git hooks are the scripted that git execute before or after events such as commit, push, or receive. Git hooks are built in future, no need to download anything. So this by default when you install the git, right, these things will be available in your local machine. So if you have in windows, if you go to users, sorry, c drive, program files, and git, and based on your OS, if you go here, right, bin, not bin, share, git GUI, libraries, sorry, git course, share, and git core, templates, hooks. These are the default hooks which should be available. Same thing if you have in Linux machine, right? If you go to Linux machine, if you install git on Linux machine, the default hooks should be available in the share, git core, and templates. From this default location it should be available. So every time when you create the git repository, it should be picking from these things from your default repository, like default path. So by default it should be enabled with extension uh, dot sample. Okay, we can bypass hooks if you are enabled, right? If you have written some scripts, you need to disable, right? That time you need to mention hyphen hyphen no verify. So let me do one thing. So I have one repository. So currently let me enable, let me write, let me apply some commit. Okay, so pre-commit. So before that I need to update. So if you enable git hooks, right, it should be applicable only this particular repository, not other repository. So each and every repository you should need to update your git hooks. What I mean to say, right? Mhm. So if you have a repository, in this repository .git folder should be available. So if you created git hooks, so it will be applicable for only this repository, not another repository. So if you need another repository also, you just need to enable .git hooks. So you just need to write your own scripts. So these scripts can be like Python script or Perl script, so anything. So by default it should be, let me make one pre-commit, let me modify this one. So before that you need to take a backup, or you can move this one. Pre-commit, I need to update it something. So I am removing dot sample. So now pre-commit. So I need to update it some before committing. I just need to some echo command, or you can write anything. So vi pre-commit. So this pre-commit enables these hooks. Okay, so before that, what I need to, I just mention some echo command main setting echo, please check before committing. Okay, I'm saving. So pre-commit, before commit, I have updated some echo command. So if you try to make any modification on my repository, on my code, okay, currently I have one file. So let me create one more file, touch status. Now git add to git commit -m added second file. See, it should be displayed my commit. So please check before committing. Like this you can update according to your requirement. You can write your own scripts, and you can use the hooks. So that's all about in this session. Thanks for watching. Bye.